Hello, my dear students. In this part, we have to discuss about the defects of vision. When we talk about the discuss those, and there are four common defects of vision. Marway na kena sa gimit so paze makal bari kalay. Say number one, the myopia or short sightedness. Kabadi anak padi azado uba aduga karan lapok gadi yamna seng uba kamdaba. That is called myopia haise. Anisubada hypermetropia or long sightedness. Arapadi fazana upagamba aduga anakpa haidi larik pabagumse fazana pabagumdaba anakpadi fazana upagumdaba aduga arapana fazana upagumsina pena hypermetropia. And the third one is presbyopia. Presbyopia hargana arapasu anakpasu animak se apena mayek seng fazana ubagumdaba udi uraga fazana seng uraga blur sa paita rekwa sina presbyopia. And the bari suba sina astigmatism. Astigmatism is a rare case of we focus on vertical lines horizontal lines at the same time simultaneously focus on the plus sign plus sign vertical line horizontal line astigmatism. All the four common defects of vision can be corrected by using spectacles. Anu upaga loina boy japena correction to pa yai ko adu magi soiba bit shop gi bakal dui matumina magi lens ti khener kani adu ka focal length su adu khener di ko adu na buji yana da myopia ji kari no hadu ye se adu na myopia har ga di ko hadu je adak padi uba arapadi uba ka ta haibadi, that is a person cannot see distant objects clearly but can see nearby objects. Adu apena bit apena posap of fazanu uba no high scale to posap to gi sai image se aponi bit ki eyeball gi retina da le ka u ni ba. Adu myopia gi matang de aponi adap objects gi my retina da image to le radi adu ga distant object ki image to the retina da le no ngamroi retina yo drai da in front of the retina da le dui di ko adu na sai gi मासे करी ने थोड़ भी आगे पोजेस तो myopia से करी ने कोई नहीं लो फार के कोई ना स्माइल हाई भी आए सही कोई आई लेंस कोई मिट में भी और इबा आई लेंस की माई कन्वर्जन पावर से एक लंबा नत्रका ना कोई आई बॉल के साइज से सॉफ्टली इधर लोर सी आए अदुआ मासे कोई ना करेक्शन तो कोई आए अदुआ वो ऊपर का पाव बहुत दिया वो डबल लेंस तो दी concave lens, that is diverging lens already with suitable focal length. अदुना myopia की definition जे गजी अदुआ मागी ray diagram myopia igi my ray diagram ko to my correctness of fixing. So myopia may be defined like this: myopia or short-sightedness. A person is said to be suffering from myopia when the person cannot see distant objects clearly but can see nearby objects. Distant object arap object ki fazil ubagam da baduga adapadi fazil ubagam ko. In myopic eye, image of nearby object is formed on the retina, while the image of distant object is formed in front of retina as shown below. And see figures the ulise, figures the ulise, chagi, see circles of an eyeball, eye lens layer, eye lens. See was the nearby object, bit monopoly, other object, the magi, nearby object ki image retina, retina, sagi. Back portion of the eyeball ki maning thab saruk se retina thawi retina da image se leiraga di uba gumdoi di ko aduna nearby object ki image ti eye se retina da leire aduga adis figure ulizina distant object arapa object si ki bagi image se retina da yoba gumda, that is in front of the retina da leire ko aduna sagi distant object ke fajidu uba gumda aduna bagi ko se myopia je kamaina thore ino hargadi akoi sigi ray diagram de hai biare adudi koi the bit yauriba eye lens ki converging power je hekalakpa increase to natraga na size of the eyeball je ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯁꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ myopia may be caused by increasing the converging power of eyelids or increasing the size of eyeball. It can be corrected by using a spectacle having concave lens or diverging lens of suitable focal length. The myopia correction to be ay adu upuga by concave lens hapani adu to the of suitable focal length. And atopa point number important point number is the far point of myopia is kari no khang da biya di. Far point hargadi myopia na nar mi sabon myopic eye kawi aduna myopic eye abuna anu yaudabida khwaidagi labna uba ngamba distance to adu koina far point kawani ko after smile define the way the point having maximum distance from the myopic eye that can be seen clearly without spectacle is called far point of myopic eye and bathang zik second type of defect of vision epilepsy that is hypermetropia or long sightedness. So hypermetropia or long-sightedness may be defined like this. A person is said to be suffering from hypermetropia when the person cannot see nearby objects clearly but can see distant objects clearly. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness covered. In hypermetropic eye, image of nearby object is formed behind the retina, while image of distant object is formed on the retina. Aduna hypermetropic eye da kogi anakpa object ki image se retina matunda legadeba. Retina sabsana focus lobo ngamroi aduga distant object ki image ti retina da focus lobo ngambaneba ko. Aduna di distant object ti fazina uba ngambiba aduga nearby objective fazina uba ngamdribise sigi re diagram se ko. Namai ko se karino hypermetropia je kamaina dar ino khaida disi lagi hoi re diagram de thon adum haiba yai that is sagi akoi bit da yoriba eye ball yoriba akoi eye lens ki converging power je walakpa hadarakpa natragana akoi eye ball ki size se decrease to rena khai sai ko si pithara eye ball je pithara di EBS nearby object ki EBS se retina da level ngamthrem ko aduna mathang la su magi course adu magi correction to puya sidu ko akoi spectacle anu oma upani aduka concave lens oigataba converging lens ama maja hap tare ko. Hypermetropia may be caused by decreasing the converging power of eyelids or decreasing the size of eyeball. And hypermetropia je apagi with the eyelids ki converging power je hantarakpa natragana apagi size of the eyeball je hantarakpa da kini na kuna lawai. It can be corrected by using a spectacle having convex lens or converging lens of suitable focal length. Aduna hypermetropia je koina convex lens natragana converging lens yauba adu spectacle amu upagadi mas correction to yagani. And atopa important point about related to hypermetropia that is near point as near point kainu mo sagi hypermetropic eye digi kwai digi nakna leba distance adu yauduna uba khamba haitare adugi distance to koina near point of hypermetropic eye has. So it may be defined like this: the point having minimum distance from the hypermetropic eye that can be seen clearly without spectacle is called near point of hypermetropic eye. So Roman number 3 third type of defect of vision is called presbyopia. For the presbyopia, this might define the way a person is said to be suffering from presbyopia when the person cannot see nearby objects as well as distant objects clearly. Adapasu arapasu objects is fazana clearly uba ngamdragadi maje presbyopia na nare lobe ai pamitu ko mai cause. It may be caused by weakening of ciliary muscles on account of aging. Hoigi mid the hoigi mid nung yoriba eye lens ki manakta ciliary muscles na maleri ko si ciliary muscles na hoigi eye lens ki focal length se adjust to doineba increase decrease hangduni aduna koina ahadu osala kanda si ciliary muscles shoulder kanda hoigi eye lens ki focal length se adjust to ga bukta aduna mar kanda सिगी प्रेस बायोपिया नारक यागनेबको नारक याय अदुना सिजो कोना करेक्शन तब याय अनुपगा अद अनुपतदि यावदरिबा लेंसदि concave as well as convex lens यावरदि को बोइज करि कबि दखोइना bifocal lens कवि अखोइगी focal length मानदबा lens अदि यावरनेबको अदुगा अखोइना माजे correction तब यागनि अदुदा it can be corrected by using a spectacle having bifocal lens. Bifocal lens means combination of concave and convex lenses हाइब्रिको. Type of defect of vision is called astigmatism. The very super defect of vision is astigmatism high or astigmatism high that is by defined to by a person is said to be suffering from astigmatism when the person cannot focus both vertical and horizontal lines simultaneously. With the plus sign by the record, see the plus sign is by vertical line and the horizontal line clearly with the book. Sagi astigmatism the mamito sohal le lo ya ko aduna astigmatism je kari no to lai no magi ko se kari no haibadi it may be caused due to irregularity on the curvature of cornea koigi bit se ko bit kis mai le ni the eyelids like ko sigi magi akoigi eyeball ki front part से ममांग थंग सरुक की मागी curvature से curve ओइ जे पूरा smooth ओइ गदौने बको अदु smooth ओइ रक्त्रबा irregularity ओइ रबको अदु तादी astigmatism जे नारको याय बको. So it can be corrected by using a spectacle having cylindrical lens. माजु अदु उपगा सुथपा याय तबुदे बु अदु तो याउदरिबा lens से अखोइना cylindrical lens ओइ गदे बको cylinder की मौग लेबल lens मखला बुलाई अदु बा cylindrical lens से हापा खांदा सी astigmatism जखोइना correction तो यागनेबको.